Hey everyone, thank you for watching my channel. I just want to take a few minutes to share with you what this channel is really about and where I want to take it. So this channel really started as my own pain point. I was doing a PhD in systems and AI, and I took a lot of study notes. So whenever I really want to understand something, I walk it through in a note, the examples, the numbers, the actual codes, etc. And I've built up years of these study notes, and it just sat in a folder. So at the time, I was also building a workflow called Pocketflow, which is a super lightweight large language model framework. And I was looking for some really cool use cases for it. So I thought, what if I just build a workflow that turns all my study notes into videos? And that is exactly what this channel really is. Every video here is one of my study notes produced using AI. And the result is just so cool. I give it one note and it gets back a full video. It designs the slides, it writes the narration, it generates the voices, it keeps everything in synchronization. So all the production work that used to take me days could be done by my workflow automatically in just hours. Now, I know this idea of using AI to generate video is somewhat controversial. So some people feel these videos are fake, not authentic, because the voice is AI. And some people say that despite that, the content quality is still pretty high. So here's my honest take on that. I just don't have time to record myself. So this is the only way these videos get made at all. And I have high faith that using AI for education is the future. So for me, the question is not whether to use AI or not. It's more about how to use it in a way that it feels more human-like and actually help people learn. So I'll keep refining this workflow, and this video will get better and better as time goes on. So here is my promise. If this channel reaches 100,000 subscribers, I will open source the whole workflow with you and talk about how to actually use AI to better learn and understand anything. Thank you very much.